the numbers a little bit, but as of the latest information, 140-mile-an-hour winds and a very, very low pressure. Now, what's complex about this is you see that we have this outer eye wall, and then you see this inner one. It's that inner one that had the 140-mile-an-hour winds. This outer one probably has winds, best we can tell from the hurricane hunters out there, in the 100-mile-an-hour range. So the obvious thing that's happening is that inner one is dying out, which you would kind of expect. And we're getting this very solid outer eye wall. Now the question is that going to contract and re-intensify, or are we going to end up with a bigger storm with a little lower wind speeds, more like a Hurricane Wilma kind of storm with a bigger but strong solid eye? In any case, it doesn't lower the threat at all. It's still life-threatening conditions in all the same places, but it may spread out the winds in terms of the inland sections. The other thing I wanted to show you, based on what it did here, this is where it was reorganizing in here. Took that little jog to the north. That kind of takes a little pressure off of certainly Miami-Dade County. But as now we have a bigger storm, you can see if it takes a track up like that, or it seems to be wobbling a little bit like that, that bigger eye wall is more likely maybe to fringe down here into Broward County, where Fort Lauderdale is, and certainly affect more of Palm Beach County. So certainly Palm Beach County may be part of Broward County, needs to be thinking Hurricane Wilma from 2005. Now on the wider view, here we can see already we have the band. So every time a band comes in, it tends to get stronger. We have this band here already bringing tropical storm force winds in the 45-mile-an-hour range to the coast. Then this one, this big one, which is the next one, which is going to move in this evening, affecting the coast, looks like around the Palm Beaches first of all. Now, to time it farther north, here we're using a model, so here we are now. Now, watch as we go through time. So this model brings it from around over here where it was on up, with the center coming here. But remember, we have a bigger donut of wind, so that's put that winds estimated maybe around 100 miles an hour through Palm Beach County. And so at 2 o'clock in the morning, here we're piling water into Brevard County and up around Melbourne and points north there. This is when the big push of water is going to come in the overnight hours. This is plus or minus a couple hours of high tide up there. So this is the big threat time. It's overnight tonight. All right, Governor Rick Scott is speaking from Florida right now. Let's go and see what he has to say.
We have individuals up here with me from Fish and Wildlife, of course, Brian Kuhn, who is responsible for the State Emergency Management Team, Highway Safety, the National Guard. We've got General Turner, who is responsible for 5 states for the Army Corps of Engineers. We've got law enforcement, we've got Rick Swearingen, and of course we've got National Guard. And we have Jim Boxell, who's making sure that we continue to have our evacuation routes open and moving. Some of them aren't moving as fast as some of the others, but they're all moving. I've spoken to all 67 counties as part of our 515 call. The state, along with all the Florida counties, are focused solely on life safety. We want everybody to survive this horrible storm. It's the most important thing we can do. I just think about my own family. Counties that aren't in the storm's path are staying ready to help those impacted. I've talked to sheriffs, I've told sheriffs, utility companies, and county emergency management officials to call me if they need anything. I've given them my cell phone, said call me 24 hours a day. The goal is to solve any problem as quickly as we can solve it. We're focused on protecting life. The state stands ready to help any community that needs help. I spent the past 4 days traveling Florida's East Coast, urging people to prepare and get ready for Hurricane Matthew. It's here. It's absolutely here. It's not very far off the coast of Palm Beach. We're already starting to see the impacts, and it's a monster. Again, our #1 priority is protecting every life in this state. I think about my grandchildren, my daughters, my son-in-law, my wife. I want everybody to survive this. We can rebuild homes, we can rebuild businesses. I just think of my own family. We can't rebuild a life. If you're in South and Central Florida, the storm is making its way in tonight. Please stay safe. Keep listening for alerts. There may be tornadoes that come in, and your radar cell phone will give you important messages. If you're in Brevard County or north of Brevard County and in an evacuation zone, you still have time to leave. Get out. There's no reason to take it. There's no reason to take a chance. It just doesn't make any sense. At 5 p.m., Hurricane Matthew was located